So I'm gonna switch the KFC with the restaurant food. Good afternoon. You have any rice and peas and so left back?
No, no rice and peas.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Yes, I wanna know. Oh, what's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I have a bang dilly bang bang bang. Bang a phone. You see that food in that? Yo, when you read the title, I wanna just click the video. The food in that box there are some fried chicken, but it have a look like the regular chicken at KFC. So, I'm gonna get a 3-piece too, because I have 2 food there, so. 2 food there, so. I'm gonna get a 3-piece. I'm gonna try to get the original, because the original gonna kinda look like that. No! No! Barbecue! Barbecue! I get I'm not gonna get the big deal. I get the one with the 2-piece barbecue. I'm gonna put one in a mine and one in a fair. So I'm gonna switch the KFC with the restaurant food. And if she goes so ash and go so choo 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 and swallow 30,000. You feel like somebody gonna give me my 30 grand so without a fight? Come on, you really feel like me gonna just allow my girl to just sit down and just have her eating KFC for 3 months to get her money? She motivated. She go want to do that. You know watch Passion of Christ? I want to know the Bible story. I want to ever hear say the devil, the tempt the Lord. Well, you know what's going on right now. We have to test how strong she is. I can't have people in my comments that talk about, yes girl, I'm with you, I'm cheering for you. Eh? Nobody not cheer for me, you know. So I have to do for myself. You notice me not even say team raising or me not say none of that because me not a team and me alone people. So all who say team Anja there one side. I'm there over here so. And she gonna eat this KFC today. 30,000. 30,000. God is good, God is great. Please let this KFC stay in our plate until the food is finished. Then 30,000 is our fate. I'm so sure when me I switch it up. Neat. Squad. Alright, so what going is them say them not have no say them not have no barbecue and no spice and no original. So I'm gonna roll with just spicy. So I put them in the food right now. Alright, see that now. Put. And it even matter which one of them I get. It just matter. Oh my god. Come on now, hey. Alright. Put that one here so. Take out this and now. If this come like, here watch them bad show there. Alright. See it now? So, people, me know say, since we say we get married, nobody no hear up on the internet to talk about things like the team and the shirt, the pants, what color, I know the most want to hear that. So, babe, we're gonna eat this food right now. Ready? We're gonna eat this food right now. So, I say we could do a little mukbang same time, you see? With the beautiful Angel Barbara. I'm like all times mukbang, you see me I say? So, grab that seat there. I'm gonna get too far. I could just do the right thing. Oh wait, I buy one juice for you know. What is it? You can't take your seat. buy juice here. One moment, guys. So, what is? So me
Restaurant where we eat from already?
one time.
It's good.
So babe, nobody start it. I wanna start talk about what we're gonna talk about. So people, or shall I pray? Pray for me to hear.
Why you not pray?
I can't pray for your husband to be.
Oh, that looks so big.
Maxim, you have a big place for me. Anyway, people. The only thing we have a say in so far since we start wedding are the shoes I'm going to wear. Because me say, is a class in a married in a pipe blank done. And she has said, me I got married in a hush puppy. And I'm not married in a hush puppy.
R.
No, there's going to be no R.
R. Not in the alphabet or puppy. Whatever, do whatever you want. When Jason suggests anything, we want to see Baba. Ew, Jason.
No.
This is something like that.
But start. If we are getting married, I'm not saying nothing. What we are married for? I say
No,
married.
babe, me never say I have saying and nothing.
No, but you know how me wear the clothes.
Babe, why me a smell?
Hello.
Me must be paranoid. Why me a smell KFC? And this literally look.
This milk at me by the KFC.
I didn't say that. Obviously, I didn't.
But I can't miss KFC that bad.
No, it just smell like it.
Keep focus.
This is our restaurant we eat from already?
One time. But we never buy it. Keep focus, babe. 30 God is on the line.
But me not. Guys, why do you not believe in me? Me not eat it. Me serious, me not eat it. And if me got that long,
If you got that long one. That
where
babe.
you come from?
Babe, I'm looking
Him
at
not have no faith in me. If me got that long, me can't go longer than that after the 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
And that means so much to me.
Right, tell her. So, tell him what color we got married now.
No! I don't want to share those yet, babe. They've been asking me on my channel, you know.
Oh.
But I don't want to share those
So what
information.
can we share?
we can just address the fact that people are asked if we're still getting married.
Oh, well.
Babe, me literally smell KFC, no joke.
Babe, tell me say you want KFC that much that you
I don't want it, babe.
But why you think this is a KFC? Which part you see KFC though?
Babe, it smell like it.
Probably
And
they
that
just...
literally look like it.
Nah,
So
babe.
probably them just find it. Find the recipe, whatever.
The
it is,
recipe,
babe.
no. Let me answer. KFC actually.
Babe, I don't want to tell them like the venue. I don't want to tell them the color. But we're just excited. Like every time people ask me, we just want to say, yeah, girl, that is it. That. Babe, let me see your food.
KFC
Me
actually.
liter-
Maybe it's not KFC.
I'm not eating, babe. That smell like.
Bro.
Babe, you could have. Jesse, you could have never got to the extreme to do what me think you do, babe.
Babe, what? Me and you eat food that we talk about mukbang. Babe, taste it and you see for KFC.
Babe, not taste it. No. Babe.
Babe, we do mukbang.
Jason, is this what I think?
You're paranoid,
You could have never.
People, she literally thinks that she has big KFC.
Maybe it smell like it. And it look like it, babe. Me I KFC too long for them to say it look like it. From me.
So taste it, see if it tastes like it.
Oh yeah, hold up. Let me ask you a question. No, wait. Guys, forget about everything. Babe, what you do? Babe, the two freaking chicken them not have the same look. Them not have... Am I dumb?
You
No.
got two different type of meat.
What is name?
Fried chicken.
How is name?
No, this is fried chicken and that is French fried chicken. French fried.
Jason, this is KFC.
Babe, did you taste it
Babe,
in
I
this world?
can't do that.
Babe, did you taste it
Babe,
to be
any
sure?
how you do that, me not trust you again because you could have never.
Babe, did you taste it to be sure?
Babe, you did that to me?
Yes, baby, did it.
Babe, is this KFC? Babe, be honest.
Babe,
Babe,
it's
is
not,
this
babe, it
KFC?
is not KFC.
Babe, it smell like KFC, the gravy
Babe,
and
the
throw me
chef
off
is
the
just a
door.
good cook. The gravy?
Because me I smell the gravy along with it. Cause you make the gravy touch the chicken.
Me? Me need cook chicken? Me make the gravy touch the chicken?
Babe, obviously. Cause this is not it.
Babe, I want to call the plate for people and ask them what they serve me.
Jason, me don't trust, me don't want none. Alright. If you're on the safe side, me not eat your food. And me lucky say, me glad say, oh, wow. For once, something like this saved my life. All along people used to argue with me when me eat my rice and left my meat for last. It saved me, me not eating. Babe, that is not it. You tamper with the food. I don't want it.
You tamper with the food?
Yes. Me smell KFC. Babe, is it KFC?
You see me they ever take a bite?
Babe, why you do that?
30,000 on the line, babe. If you ever take a bite. Babe, you can't cut the camera anymore, Asha.
I don't want it, Jason. Why
Babe,
would I do that?
really, you don't want the
Babe,
camera.
you're going to make me eat it.
You don't want it because of the money or you don't want it because of the camera?
I don't want it because me I stick to my words. I don't want. Babe, why you would I go so far?
Because this is me.
Why you would I go so far? For do something I don't want it.
Alright, babe.
I don't want the food.
No, hold on.
Baby, you're wasting
hold
it
on.
because I don't want it.
Hold on, sit right here. Sit right here. Sit right here.
You know the funniest thing? From me come, me know me smell KFC, but me I say, fried chicken, so probably I eat and give me that scent there in my head.
You can't eat the food, babe, because this one. See the actual meat.
So wait, let me ask you something. So you put my meat in the KFC box? Me don't want it.
But babe, babe,
No,
hold on, babe.
It's
Babe, hold on, babe.
KFC oil touch it, me don't want it.
Babe, wait for the KFC.
The oil run out of the original KFC chicken, go up on my one, me don't want it.
So you know it none?
No, I don't want it. Me serious, guys, me dead serious, me don't want it. Baby, I go so far to make me eat the chicken. You can't stay so. Me don't want it. Me serious. I love to think that me not offended. Me I go look for me something to eat. The funniest thing, you offer to get me food. I should have said no.
So we not going to eat from you again?
No. If offer me to get me food, I mean, sir, why not? Buy the food. Should eat it. Me can't trust you. Me not eat nothing more from you either. Me serious. Me not eat nothing more from
I'm
him.
not the devil.
Me serious. Me not eat nothing more from him. Enough to stay so. What?
30,000.
Come on, let's stay a bad man.
People, she found out about us.
Yes, yes, it is.
But we will never stop trying. KFC will prevail. 30,000.